Yo, hello everyone. Thank you so much for 10K subscribers. We just crossed that milestone. I've been looking forward to this one for a long time. So appreciate everybody that has been able to support the channel one way or the other, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff. Thank you so much, guys. And I'm also excited to announce that I'll be launching a Patreon page. So for a while now, I've been doing New Music Friday live streams, and those live streams have been running essentially Friday nights, 5:30 EST. And we've built a rapport with the subscribers that come in often, but there's a huge chunk of my subscriber base that doesn't get into the live stream because the time doesn't work for them, and by the time they're ready to watch it, YouTube has taken it down because copyright issues here and there. But then again, I found a new platform that would be able to host many of these live streams, and essentially this is going to help support the channel. And I'm looking forward to doing more of the live streams. I'm looking forward to expanding beyond the live streams, hosting trivia nights every now and then. And I'm excited about this experience, and nervous as well, of course, because I'm asking people to open your wallet. So yeah, it's going to be a huge ask, but I've been appreciative of all your support, even though it's on Patreon, even though it's just on YouTube. Anyway, you want to support the channel, I'll be fully behind it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, check out the Patreon link. It should be in my bio by now.